Hi, it's me Annatar. Welcome to my exclusive art drop, the Come Closer collection. This collection invites you to come in and look a little closer. I'm preparing for my first solo exhibition right now, which will be somewhere in Europe, and I'm not sure exactly where yet. As I complete each piece, I will be sharing the full process here until the big day of the exhibition comes. I'm a Thai artist currently living in Poland. My work is a fusion of pop culture, Asian art, and animation influences from both East and West. I grew up watching all the Disney classics and Japanese anime. I'm also deeply inspired by graffiti. I love going out and painting walls. It's my soul healing playground. Now back to the artwork. This piece is called Birds of a Feather. In all of my artwork, there's always one main girl character. I love drawing her in this unique style that reflects my power and soul. In this piece, she has feathers like the orange bird resting on her shoulder. It's like her spirit companion. Next to them stands a flame-winged being, like a fairy or angel made of fire. A girl, bird, and a flame angel. It's the idea of wings and fire. Wings stand for freedom and rising higher. Fire is the passion inside a burning heart full of belief, courage, and drive. Even when things fall apart or seem like the end, that flame doesn't die down. Like a phoenix, even if we fall, we rise again from the ash, braver, stronger, and full of life.